A very difficult conversation to have with older parents revolves around the power of attorney, both general and health. For them, it's pretty uncomfortable to give up the sense of power over their own destiny and health and well-being, which in fact they're doing by giving, ideally, you or your siblings power of attorney. Yet it's such an important piece to have in place, because should anything happen to them at some point, if there's a fall, an accident, a stroke, a heart attack, and they are unable to express their own wishes when it comes to their health, somebody else is going to make the decision for them. And if it comes to financial issues, ownership issues, legal issues, the general power of attorney again comes into play. So it becomes all the more important to have a conversation that explains this is not about taking anything away from them. It's in fact guaranteeing and assuring that what they want done will be done, because that's what you'll do. Or if they don't want to trust you with power of attorney, they should look at their own lawyer or clergyman or someone else who they really feel will make the best decisions for them if they can't, and make sure that person has it and that you know who that is. But having power of attorney in place, it becomes a very important element as one gets older. In their 60s, 70s, 80s, it's paramount. In their 50s and 60s, it's actually really important too. So if you don't have power of attorney arrangements for yourself, you might want to consider it. But for sure, have that conversation with your parents, or have somebody help you have that conversation to ensure that something is there in writing to protect them if anything should happen to them, because something at some point will. Take it from me, it took me a while, but I got my father convinced of the importance of power of attorney, and we actually had all that in place, fortunately, before we had to use it. So please give that some serious thought.